Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I use the fixed range volume profile. Now most traders look at price. However, smart traders like myself actually look at where volume happened. Now the fixed range volume profile is one of the fastest ways to find that. And today I'm going to be showing you how to set it up on TradingView, the 3 things you should actually be looking at when you have it on your chart. And now before we start, a quick shout out to BitMEX. It's the only platform that I actually trade on. If you're new, deposit $25 and they'll give you $50 for free to trade however you want, whether that's crypto, whether that's stocks, you name it. Now, what exactly is the fixed range of volume profile? Well, the volume profile is a tool that shows you how much volume was traded at each price level over a given period. And that can be any given period, whether it's a day, whether it's 15 minutes. We're not talking about the regular volume bar that you see under here, okay? We're talking about the volume by price. The volume profile lets you draw a specific range that you're actually looking at, where you can pick the starting point and the end point, and it'll build distribution for exactly that window. To find your volume profile, you'll go to Indicators, Fixed Range Volume Profile, click on it, and then you'll draw your volume profile from high to low or low to high. Okay, so I'll just take this point over here to that point. Now on the volume profile, here we have the value area high. Over here, you have the value area low. Here, I'll just mark it out for you. So here we have the VAH, and over here, we have the value area low. And then after that, we have the POC, point of control. Okay. And this is a great way to actually see from this range of price what price could possibly do. What usually happens is that price will sweep the value area high, or it will break through the value area high. Then it will retest the value area high, okay? Then it will do another sweep, okay, or another breakout of the value area high. It will come back down. And usually when it comes back down, what I'm looking at are these naked nodes, okay? So here, if you can see here, this area has not really been traded in, okay? It's kind of naked. And so what I expect is that price to come here eventually, fill in this naked node, and then continue up, or fill in this naked node, go back to the point of control where traders or participants found that this was good value actually for XRP. So what would happen here is as soon as I break the market structure break under the value area high, okay, I would go short with a possible target as an intraday trade at the point of control. Point of control acts as a magnet for price. It is where participants in the market found this price here to be of fair value. Okay, so it will be a magnet, and price or participants will want to go back to that fair value, which is over here. Now, if it goes back to the point of control and participants are looking for a lower fair value, okay, then that point of control will move, lower. Or if participants do not come back here, and let's say, for example, price trades a lot over here, then the point of control will move to over here. So the point of control is not a static, okay, range. It is dynamic. It will move, okay, where participants are trading the most. So in summary, you have your value area high, you have your value area low, okay? So anything above value area high is expensive, okay? Maybe buyers do not want to buy at this value area high. Anything below value area low is discount. So maybe sellers are not willing to sell, okay, at a discounted price. So price always needs to find fair value, and that is where the POC, point of control, actually comes in. Okay, these are naked nodes, and these are great targets actually when you break either, you know, value area high or low, depending on where you see it. Price will always try to fill in whatever, you know, is naked or balance itself out. As you can see here, this is a clear imbalance. Okay, trading is not complicated, and you know, this is a great way to see what price is doing and, you know, keeping it simple. A VWAP is another item that I use. When price is above VWAP, okay, we are more in a bullish trend, okay? When price is below VWAP, we are more in a selling trend, okay? So above VWAP is buying, below VWAP is selling. We are consolidating a little bit here on the VWAP, okay? So it will depend now on if we get a market structure break over here, okay? If we confirm a breakdown from the VWAP, and if we break the value area, high area, okay? Then that would tell me that, well, it is time to look for shorts, all right? And it's the opposite from, you know, from at the bottom here. If we break above the value area low and we go above VWAP, then I'm looking for a long position. The great thing you can do is play around with the fixed range volume profile. Draw it, you know, for the start of the session, for example. Let's say you want to draw it for New York session, let's say at 9:30 over here, okay, until, I guess, yeah, this time. And here, well, as you can see here, the point of control where traders found the most value for XRP at this point is 137.22. The value area high is here, okay? So the value area high, where price is still consolidating on, is 142.41. Value area low is 136.34. Anything above value area high is expensive. Anything below value area low is discount, okay? Premium and discount, if you want to use those words. And we got a naked node right here, which price will most likely come back and fill in, all right? Sometimes what we do in trading is we overcomplicate things. So this is a simple way to see, you know, how price is moving. Always wait for a confirmed break down, okay? If it breaks down the first time, it's usually not the entry to take, in my opinion. I've back tested that. I always wait for a second breakdown, a confirmed breakdown, and then I enter. Okay, so here it's not confirmed as of yet. And that is it. That is it for the fixed range volume profile. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.